yenze kukkiriza Phoebe era nga tuli wale no ku Be Safe era nga ndi musanyufu nnyo kubanga bannonze kubeera brand ambassador waabwe era bannange mbasaba products zengeno kubanga mbaleetera ku mulundi guno bannange nate mungi waayo mbasaba busabi nera tuzikozese bulungi nnyo kubanga zino products za waka mu saloon mu bifo ebyenjawulo okukiliininga bintu bya waka bwebityo.
Birina ebintu bigenda tuyamba tutya mu community yaffe oba mu bulamu bwaffe obwa bulijjo.
Ebintu byembaleetedde products zembaleetedde era n'ensonga lwaki nsayinize eno contract ndabyemu ebintu bikwatagana ku byobulamu bingi nnyo era nga mwe muli okubanga mulimu mask. Of course omuntu wa bulijjo yeetaaga mask okusinziira ku mbeera ya bulijjo. Sometimes oyinza okubanga ekifo mwoli weetaaga mask ate nga bintu bya buyonjo ate tulinamu ne sanitizers ng'omuntu ali eyo osaanidde okubanga otambula ne sanitizer era neyongedde okuyiga emigaso mingi nnyo lwaki omuntu alina okubanga atambula ne ka sanitizer tugeze mu mmotoka ate nga balina ne portable sanitizers oba okitegeera nawe kenyini oba teweekakasanga lozo osobola okubanga okozesa sanitizer. Tulinamu ebintu bingi nnyo 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 nnyini ddala. Tulinawo safe zone oyo nno munnange ng'akozesebwa mu biyigo kulongoosa toilets ate nga atangira n'endwadde eza infections. So Be Safe ez'okubanga ate munnange ekukuleetera ddala okubanga oli sure ku bulamu.
Contract ya banga ki ate nsobola okutubuulirako nti kati obutitimbi bw'ensimbi bwe tuguddemu bwezino kubanga
obutitimbe bw'ensimbi era buli muntu akimanyi bulungi nnyo nti bw'osayininga contract ofuna obutitimbe bw'ensimbi era nga nja kubamba agamba ebbanga lya myezi ndowooza omwaka guno wegunaggweerako nga tuddamu tusayininga contract endala. Nze sitera nnyo kukozesa abantu tebatera nnyo okumukozesa ne bansuulawo nedda tubeesigeza tugenda kuddamu renewing contract because ebintu byabwe birungi ate nasoose kubikozesaako nendyoka ate nzija nembibanjulira.
Ndiri wagiguddeko otya?
Ndiri sogiguddeko ebiseera ebisinga bakugamba okozesa social media handles obulungi okitegeera kati omuntu ali eyo aba alaba aba agamba this person can influence my business, can do this. So mbasagiguddeko bugwe nti nze yaginoonyeza nedda bakama bange be banoonyeza ne balaba nga nina potential ne numbers okulabika ate nga munange mbeera influencer waabwe. So basinzidde to according what I do and what I'm capable of doing was nature ne numbers.
babadde tusuubira nti noba lwakuba olw'omwana oyo
era omwana ono akibaddemu nnyo kubanga bamuleetedde ka sanitizer bw'anaafulumayo bw'ati tayagala muntu amukwatako nga takozesezza sanitizer wa Be Safe. Ekyo kima era bw'obanga tolina sanitizer wa Be Safe akuva mu supermarkets zaffe zengenda okuba nga mbateerawo awo togenda kukwata ku mwana. Omwana agenda kuba walakizale ebintu byemugulidde bingi.
Budget ye mutegeke planned child buli kimu akisanzeewo.
Ye buli kimu akisanzeewo tewali kugamba nti nno tewali sabbuuni tewali kino buli kimu akisanzeewo buli kimu.
Bino byayagala.
Omwana byayagala.
Oba lwataate wanaabigaana.
Tasobola bigaana. Ate ayagala sogaana nnyoko we tasobola.
Kyekifudde obwenjawulo ennyo Phoebe kubanga tutunuulira tukyamawulire kino wakajja naye tukulaba speed gy'oddukirako kiki ekikufudde obwenjawulo okukiraba nnamawulire abalala.
Katonda yanfudde ow'enjawulo okukiraba ne si zasingayo mugundi mu ggwanga lyettu Uganda, but what I know it's God who puts favor on someone. Katonda yakuteekako favor according to how manyi engeri gye weeyisaamu naawe osobola kudikomendinga soda nogamba nedda use Phoebe, she's a good person, you get okusinzira engeri gy'otwalamu abantu yengeri omuntu gye bakola batya gye bakurekomendingamu oba okitegeera. So abantu balina okuyiga engeri gye bakwatamu abantu n'okweyisa mu bantu.
Okay, sir, to you, when we are finishing, why Phoebe in all people?
Hold on, first one, moment. Why Phoebe is...
No, first wait. Let's say is two settings.
Everyone, my name is Rajesh and I'm the operations manager for Reddy's Pharma Limited, which is a part of Balaji Group. So we are here to launch Be Safe brand. So Be Safe brand has two components. One is the pharmaceutical component and the non-pharmaceutical component. Today we intend to launch the products of the non-pharmaceutical component, like the disinfectants, like sanitizer. We have the safe zone, We have Rejoice hair shampoo. We have hand wash, liquid detergents. We have a variety of products for home care, personal care, and kitchenware.
How long have you been in Uganda, and what are you promising Ugandans? And tell us also your location.
I came here in 1989 when I was 3 years old with my father. I went to Jinja Primary School in 91 to 92. Then from 93 to 96 I was in Bugandara Primary School. Then I went back for a brief period. I came back. I studied MBCHB from Makerere University. So I've been here for almost 35 years. So I joined this group in 2020. So we intend to manufacture pharmaceutical products, which is the major part of the company. So throughout my lifetime in Uganda, I've seen, Uganda suffering in medical, the health sciences is still lacking, and the major part is where the sustainable supply chain is the major part which we want to tackle. So every product which we make has a story behind it, why we are making it. It starts from your made at home. When you give those duplicate products, counterfeit products, then you start seeing, skin peeling off because of non-standards. Starting from there, seeing mothers suffering in, delivery wards for who are lacking disinfections, because of supply chain. Even if we have the products, it's not easy to be distributed in throughout Uganda. So my motive is to even tackle that area. That's why our vision is to be a best manufacturing facility, also looking at the sustainable supply chain, which is very important for Uganda. So this is what we intend to do.
We have seen many companies producing such similar products, and what is making BSAFE to be different from other companies which makes the same products?
Yes, why we're different from others is we have the extra mileage where we have the supply chain, which we already have been having since 20 years, the whole group. So we intend to take these products even to the smallest areas, to rural areas the most. And as I told you, most of these products in Uganda, they don't have the quality. So we want to maintain that quality. We are part to other people. So that's why I can assure you, these products are much better because there's a lot of research which went behind it, which we have Mr. Otieno, who is our kitchen manager. He's a legend in this field. So we have legends in our field, like Mr. John, who is a marketing person. So we have legends in the market. So we are not here just to produce any other product. We have a story behind it. We have manpower. We have tireless efforts from different teams to make sure the public of Uganda gets good quality products.
So why Phoebe?
Yeah.
Why did you choose
Why Phoebe? Phoebe is a heartthrob of many young Ugandans right now. So, and she has that unfiltered way of saying things, which it's good for us because we are unfiltered. We don't want to manipulate anyone.
No.
We're open. So we need people like Phoebe who can put us what we really are in the market. So Phoebe helps us much better than others. That's why Phoebe.
Okay.
So, in a moment, you've been in Uganda for 35 years,
Yes.
which means that you're now a Ugandan. Can you explain in Uganda maybe somehow?
Not much, but
The location,
Yeah.
we are forgetting the
You
location.
can even tell us in some Uganda.
okay.
Yes.
Phoebe, very well in you. Okay. And so I can learn. I know it's a little bit, but right now it's not coming out. But okay, anyway, we are located in Kawempe. It's just opposite Bank of Baroda. Before Reham, the old Reham is where we're located. But Red is Pharma Limited.
Okay.
Yes. But I understand.
Is your hobby but is poor?
Which class?
Which year? Don't stammer. Which year?
Which year?
Which year?